They say that the most powerful secrets of a urologist are not written on a prescription pad, nor do they depend on expensive medications that promise quick but temporary solutions. They lie in tricks so simple, so hidden in plain sight, that when you discover them it feels incredible not to have known them before. And today I am going to reveal to you 5 of those secrets that can transform your intimate life in a way you probably never expected. But pay attention, the most surprising of all, the one that has to do with an ingredient as ordinary as vinegar, and that can turn you into a real bull in bed, I will leave for the end because believe me, you will want to listen until the very last second. What very few men know is that your sexual potency is not determined solely by your age, your genetics, or those famous blue pills that seem like a miracle solution. Your virility depends on small habits you practice every day, on the way you feed your body, on how you train your muscles, and above all, on whether or not you know how to activate certain natural mechanisms that you already have inside you. It's not magic, it's physiology. And a urologist knows this better than anyone else. First secret, the forgotten muscle that sustains your erection. Most men have never trained it, but it is as decisive as a bicep for a weightlifter. I am talking about the pubococcygeus muscle, known as the PC muscle. It is responsible for controlling urination, but also for keeping blood trapped inside the penis during an erection. If this muscle is weak, your erection goes down faster. If it is strong, your control is impressive and the rigidity increases like never before. Want an immediate trick? Next time you go to the bathroom, try stopping the urine flow several times in a row. That sensation you feel is the PC muscle working. Do it daily, and in just a few weeks you will notice how you can control your erection, prolong it, and make your penis feel harder and more resilient. Second secret, the ritual of erection breathing. Did you know that the way you breathe can be the difference between a mediocre performance and a firm erection? Most men, when aroused, breathe fast, short, and shallow, which activates the sympathetic nervous system, the alert mode that creates tension and limits blood flow to the pelvic area. What a urologist knows, and what almost no one applies, is that if you learn to breathe deeply, inflating the abdomen as if you were filling a balloon, and exhale slowly through the mouth, you activate the parasympathetic system, which is responsible for relaxation and full blood flow into the penis. A simple exercise of 5 minutes before sex, sitting or lying down, inhaling for 4 seconds and exhaling for 6, can radically change your performance. Your body responds by opening arteries, releasing more nitric oxide, and preparing the ground so that the blood can enter with all the necessary force. Up to this point, I have already revealed to you 2 secrets that by themselves could mark a before and after in your intimate life. But believe me, the best is yet to come. Because what you are about to hear in the next few minutes, including the vinegar trick that no urologist would ever give away for free, can become your secret weapon to regain the firmness, the control, and the confidence you thought age had already taken away from you. Third secret, the hidden power of pelvic posture. Many men believe that a good erection depends only on circulation, but few understand that the position of the pelvis can be an immediate trigger. When you spend too much time sitting, the pelvic floor muscles shorten, the nerves become compressed, and the arteries lose elasticity. The result? Weaker and less durable erections. The trick a urologist would recommend is simple but transformative. Dedicate at least 5 minutes every day to stretching the pelvis and activating the pelvic floor. You can do it lying on your back, with your knees bent and feet on the floor, slowly lifting your hips as if you wanted to form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the position for 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. This movement not only activates the key muscles that sustain your erection, but also unlocks the blood vessels compressed by a sedentary lifestyle. Do it every morning, and I assure you, you will feel more firmness and more energy during your intimate encounters. Fourth secret, the forgotten drink that boosts your testosterone. No, I'm not talking about chemical supplements or artificial shakes, but about something you probably already have in your kitchen: a glass of cold water with lemon on an empty stomach. It may sound too simple, but urologists know that this practice wakes up your metabolism, balances your body's pH, and enhances the natural production of testosterone. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals that reduce oxidative stress, one of the great enemies of erectile function. In addition, drinking it on an empty stomach cleanses the liver, regulates blood sugar, and prepares your hormonal system to function at its peak. Try it for a week and observe how your daily energy, your mental clarity, and most importantly, your sexual performance change. It's a small ritual that builds gigantic results. And now we come to the most awaited secret, the one many consider a myth, but that science is beginning to confirm with increasingly solid data. Fifth secret: the vinegar mixture that activates your erection instantly. Vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, hides a little-known effect on pelvic circulation. Its natural acids help regulate blood sugar, improve arterial sensitivity, and release nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and allowing blood to flow with full force into the penis. But the real trick is in how you use it. An expert urologist would tell you to mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water, and combine it with a pinch of powdered ginger or a couple of fresh slices. Ginger boosts circulation, warms the body from the inside, and reinforces the vasodilatory effect of vinegar. Drink this mixture 15 minutes before an intimate encounter, and you will feel your body respond with surprising firmness, as if you had awakened a motor that had been asleep for too long. The most striking thing of all is that these secrets are not fantasies or magical recipes from the internet. They are resources that urologists know well, backed by studies and tested in the daily practice of hundreds of men. And the best part is that you don't need to spend money on expensive treatments or depend on chemicals that only give you a temporary effect. The power is in your hands. Train the PC muscle, learn to breathe for your erection, recover pelvic posture, activate your testosterone naturally, and of course, use the vinegar mixture as your intimate detonator. If you apply these secrets, you won't just improve your erections, you will also transform your energy, your vitality, and your confidence in bed. Because in the end, what separates a man who feels insecure from one who knows he is powerful is not age, not luck, and not genetics. It is knowledge and the decision to use it. And here is the deeper truth. Your intimate health reflects your overall health. By adopting these natural methods, you are not only investing in better sexual performance, you are also protecting your heart, your brain, and your long-term vitality. Every step you take in this direction strengthens your masculinity in a way no pill could ever achieve. Think of it this way: your body already has the tools, you just need to activate them. The PC muscle is your natural pump, breathing is your natural switch, posture is your natural foundation, lemon is your natural fuel, and vinegar is your natural spark. Combine them, and you will experience a level of control and confidence that most men never reach simply because they ignore what is already within their reach. So, from today onward, you have a choice. You can continue believing that age has already taken away your strength, or you can decide to reclaim it with the wisdom of these secrets. The man who chooses the second path will not only conquer his bedroom but also his life, because true power begins with mastering yourself.